Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off our color by keyboard options in notifications menu. So, where to go? Settings, notifications, notifications pop-up style, and here we have our color by keyword. If we have this option enabled and we have some of our keywords here, when a pop-up shows up at the top of our screen, it will our keyword will be highlighted. Now we have one single keyword. We can add more, whatever we want. And to delete this, we simply use this minus function right here. And now our color by keyword option is clear, clean, and all keywords are deleted. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.